You are in the process of starting a job search or looking for new ways to advance yourself in your career, and you don't really know where to begin. You don't have any tools, or you don't even have an idea how to approach the process. I'm going to put together this video to help you and to provide you with 7 tips to navigate the job search process and become successful at it. So here are 7 tips for a successful job search journey. The first one is to master a new skill through learning. You can learn through Coursera or LinkedIn Learning. There are several courses you could take to help you enhance your skills and expertise. So you have to dive into interactive courses that can help you gain essential skills towards the career field or the job that you are looking for. The second one is to do daily assessment to boost your confidence. You have to find a way to boost your confidence, to help you make a case for yourself, to master yourself as a professional, and to get in front of the employers or the recruiting team that is going to put you in a position to get a job. You have to identify your skills, your competencies, also recognize your strengths and weaknesses. You also have to identify your achievements, making yourself credible, which will depend on your past accomplishments and achievements from your previous experiences. The third one is to create an impactful resume. You want to create a resume that tells a story, a resume that really shows your impact and what you actually did in your previous experience. You don't just want to tell what you just did. You have to show your distance traveled and the lesson learned that really create an impact. You are going to talk about your accomplishments and the things that you did, what you learned from it, and what goals you helped a team or organization get to. That really speaks volume, and that really shows that you made impact in your previous experience. Number 4 is to write a perfect cover letter. And cover letters, though we use the term perfect, it's not necessarily going to be perfect. You want to be able to communicate properly, communicate the things that you've done by summarizing all your accomplishments and all of the things that makes you who you are, your professional journey. You want to be able to convey this message into a summary for a cover letter. Number 5 is to practice and ace your interview. You want to make a case for yourself during your interview. Now, resume and cover letter is the first part, which really gets you in front of a recruiter or an employer. An interview is where you make your presence felt, where you get an opportunity to sell yourself more, where you get your opportunity to really show your competency, your skills and expertise, and really talk about some of the things that you are going to bring to the table. So interview is your selling point, where you're selling yourself. Think about yourself as a business, and you're really marketing yourself to a client. So you really want to create an impression by executing a really good interview that is selling yourself, your expertise, your skills, and the passions. And once you're able to do that successfully, you will be able to get to the next level of the hiring process. Number 6 is to get professional coaching, right? You can get a guidance to help you build your expertise. This professional coaching really helps you with how to really present yourself as far as your professional portfolio, and also helping you in the ways to coach you to build your confidence through interviewing skills, or how to really get in the process as far as tracking and setting goals towards your career field. You get a plan to guide you through your job search process or even your career development. It could be a 3-month goal setting process that really is going to guide you through step A to Z to help you navigate the job search process or even grow in your current career that you are in. Number 7 is focusing on your growth. You have to find ways to develop yourself and grow while you search for a new job. Essentially, it's a mindset development thing. You don't want to compare yourself to people ahead of you or people that are doing better than you. You want to be yourself, but by all means, put yourself in a position to grow 1% better every single day. Part of the job search process or career development is really setting yourself up to be confident to grow, to be seen as an expert, and to be seen as competent in your field. So many different resources out there to help people grow one way or the other. You don't want to be seen as a mediocre. So at any level of your career, whether you are now starting to look for a job or you are already in your career field, you want to put yourself in a position where you are setting yourself up to grow and to be recognized as an expert in your field. You have to emphasize on personal achievements and continuously developing yourself. That's basically it for 7 tips for a successful job search. I hope this is helpful to you and you find value in it. See you in my next video.